Veterinarian visit on KCRG-TV 9 is brought to you by Animal Care Hospital.
Welcome back, everybody. We're taking your pet health questions right now for veterinarian David Graff. Thanks for joining us today. Who'd you bring with you?
This is Sawyer. He's a young Boston Terrier. He's a really good dog.
He's very well behaved, isn't he?
Yes,
Look
he
at
is.
this.
That's the tendency of a lot of Boston Terriers, and that's why they're my favorite breed.
They're so cute,
Yep.
so cute. All right, well, our first caller today, I guess follows my heart, Siamese cat owner Julie from Olwine. Go ahead, Julie.
Hi, I appreciate you having this segment on your program. I have a Siamese cat, 2 years old, and she's fanatical about licking photographs. Is that a deficiency, or is it like me with chocolate?
It's like you with chocolate. She likes licking them. There's probably nothing in her diet that's deficient. It's a habit, and it's probably not a problem, except it may damage the photo. So probably just keeping the photographs away from the cat is the solution.
Yeah, so the actual finish of a photo might not be poisonous to an animal, or
probably not.
Unless
she's probably not going to eat enough to hurt.
Right.
But I would still try to just keep her away from the photographs.
Is there any way you can stop that? I mean, in general, behaviors like that, that your animals pick up or like to get obsessed with doing. Yeah. Is there any way to stop that, or to train them not to do things like that?
For abnormal eating behaviors, probably just trying to take whatever it is that they're eating away from them. We commonly will see dogs that like to eat white, fluffy things, cotton balls, toilet paper, paper towels. Dogs like to eat white, fluffy things. Mm-hmm. And so just keep them away from it so that they don't eat too much and obstruct.
And my cats only do that when I go out of town. They get mad at me. They eat the toilet paper when I'm gone. So we ran a story earlier in our show actually about Border Patrol agents learning CPR on their dogs. Is that something most pet owners should be aware of? Home treatments like that?
The Red Cross actually does teach a course in CPR for your pet, and they have a book on CPR for your pet. And CPR for your dog, your cat, is done differently than on humans, because humans have a chest that's flat from front to back,
right,
and dogs and cats have a chest that's flat from top to bottom. Okay. So the method of doing CPR is different.
Right, they need to be lying on their side as opposed to on, all four legs.
On their back,
yeah.
right.
Okay, and how hard? I mean, obviously, on a human, you've got a collarbone and like a sternum to break through. Is the same thing true for animals?
The way to do CPR on a pet is very similar in that the first thing you do is check the airway and make sure that the airway is clear, and this may involve holding the head back so that there's a clear passageway.
Okay.
And then you do chest compressions to both make the heart beat and also to cause air to move in and out of the lungs.
Okay, so just like you would on a person, you breathe into the pet's mouth?
Well, actually, you don't have to breathe into the pet's mouth. By moving the chest up and down, that's the good thing.
That's a good thing.
You don't have to do mouth to mouth on your pet. By moving the chest in and out, you do both make the heart pump and have air move in and out.
And has that been effective in, I guess, have you ever had a patient with that?
CPR is, actually in emergency situations, CPR can save lives in pets too. It's usually done when in very dire situations. So a lot of times they don't make it, but sometimes they do. So if in doubt, you can do it on your pet.
Enough to make it worth the while.
It may be.
All right, David Graff, thanks for joining us. And
thanks,
Sawyer,
Ashley.
good sport, man. All right, tomorrow psychologist Dick Sockwell answers your mental health questions. We'll be right back. Stay with us.
Let's face it, your pets are your family. You wouldn't take your children to a doctor without checking his references first, and your pets deserve the same quality care. Animal Care Hospital is a proud member of the American Animal Hospital Association, one of only a few in eastern Iowa. We provide the best in medical, surgical, and pet wellness services for your special friends. When your pets feel better, the whole family feels better. If you care about your pets, bring them to Animal Care Hospital, an accredited member of the American Animal Hospital Association.